Hi, my name is Fred Vakili, and my son Cameron has been a student at the conservatory for about 8 years or so. My son, who is now 13, he started early. He started with piano, and he does great with that. And a couple of years ago, he loved it here so much, he started with the bass guitar. He loves coming here and doing that. But those are all pretty structured. When you have the summer program, these kids come in. There is structure, but it's a very short, intense period. But it's a lot of fun for these guys. For a teenager to want to get up so early on a July or August morning to come here to do this thing is a big deal. And Meister Cameron just jumps out of bed. This is his big deal. So really from that perspective, I think kids get to have phenomenal experiences, but they get to do it with fun. You can always make them practice, but if they can get into an environment where it just feeds them this whole energy, it's great. Cameron loves the energy of the camp. He comes in on the one side, they got the master classes that he's been able to get into. But on the other hand, he gets to play with other kids. They see a whole bunch of other kids their age doing stuff. And they do it with ukuleles, and they do it with drums and trash cans and God, whatever else that they come up with. I think kids get excited about those things. And I think that it feeds their sort of desire to want to get into music. Music is a life-changing thing. There's nothing better than that. So that's kind of obviously a personal thing that the parents need to kind of think about. But I think for anybody who thinks their children should get into music, which I think everybody should, in my opinion, it's a great start. Music is one of those wonderful, phenomenal things that develops the brain, develops spatial reasoning, it develops all of those things. There's huge correlation between kids that do music and they do math. And when you look at what kids are going to do in the future, whatever it is that they're going to do, they're going to need that spatial reasoning. They're going to need all that stuff, and nothing like music. But on top of that, they get to do something that's fun, but it's so good for them. Nothing in the world transports you from where you are to some other place like music does. If you're having a tough day, well, music will get you there. The fact that it's really intense and it's 1 week of really hard work, but a lot of fun. I think they get a lot out of it.